Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Helipad in Criminal Hideout in Wanted game on Roblox. If it helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Alright, first of all, I'm just spawning my helicopter and going to the exact location. You have to go to near of this ladder and climb up using it. Actually, we have to use 3 ladders. It was the first ladder and I'm using the second ladder now. And after using it, we are going to use the third ladder next to it. So this is the third ladder and it is my helicopter and I'm going to use it. But before doing it, I'm going to kill this person right now. Alright. So this is my helicopter in Criminal Hideout Helipad. That's all. Now you know how to get Helipad in Criminal Hideout location. Thanks for watching.